guys, it's Pauline. I have a bag from a YouTuber here named Cloverleaf Bags. She sells Preloved bags on YouTube, and I picked up a couple. Every now and then she'll do like this real deep clearance on some bags that wasn't selling, and so I picked up a couple of them. They were $20 a piece. $20. All right, so let's see what I picked up. Right, so we got the Juicy Couture denim bag. Very cute. I didn't notice that there's a little bit of a, I guess that I'm hoping that's lipstick and that'll come right out, but this is really cute. It's a little dirty there, a couple of spots there. So this bag was probably $30 when it first came out. $25, $30. I think I paid $20 for this. I did. I paid $20 because there was some that she had that was actually a little lower than $20. And let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, I forget that she usually gives you a treat. We'll take a look at that in just a second. So you got the slip up front, and you got the zippered pocket in the back, and with the Juicy Couture nameplate. Very cute. It doesn't look to be dirty on the inside. I like the light washed of this, so I think that would be really cute. So got that. And she actually had a Dooney, but she said there was a lot of wear on the handles, which is why it came with a scarf. But it is a Dooney and Bourke for $20. So it does need a little cleaning up. But the rest of it looks really cute. There's a little, I don't know, that kind of looks like paint. But maybe once I condition it, maybe that'll come out too. So she sewed it with the scarves. I don't know if she showed the wear before she put the scarves on. Let's see what we're working with. Let's take the scarves off. I might be okay with the wear. It's already on it, you know. Let's see. Oh, not too bad. It does have some fraying. It's not too bad. There. All right. And then let's see what the other one. Somebody loved this bag. Very, very nice. So I would, I don't know if this is like a small Dooney bag. I would say this is a small one, not a medium, because I was going to say this is probably about a medium size, but I think this is probably a small one. I have had Dooney bags like this with the pocket in the front and the back. I probably sold it. Okay. So the wear is right where you would put it on your shoulder. Okay. But the rest of it looks good. Okay. We got the braided zipper pull. And we got a little bit of dirt right there that needs to be cleaned up. And on this side, okay, Dooney does it to where you can pull this out, which is very helpful. I can clean all that. We got a little bit of a smoky smell, but that'll come out with the cleaning. And let's see, we got our serial number. Okay, very nice. $20, can't beat it. And I look forward to cleaning that up. Oh, let's see what I got for a gift. So that's her name, Cloverleaf Bags, and it's cute that she has that. And she does pretty much always give you one of these. I like that. And she usually gives you some mints. She used to have these little Tic Tacs, which I loved. I don't know. I think this is gum. Yeah. I wonder where she gets that. All right. And then, I don't know what this is. Is this soap? Or maybe this is an antibiotic? I mean, it's sanitizer. Ooh, facial mist. And I live here in Alabama, and it is sweltering. And that's neat. I like that. I wonder where she gets that. I'm going to have to Google it and see where she got that. I like that. Soothing facial mist. I don't use a lot of foundation, so I can use that. I'm tickled about that. All right, so we got that, and we got the Juicy, and I paid with shipping $52 for all this, so I think that's pretty good. All right, that's all I had to share today, guys. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.